Capacities versus Craft. Which note-taking app should you use? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options to find the best fit for you. Capacities and Craft are two powerful note-taking apps designed to enhance your productivity. The core difference lies in Capacities' focus on structured organization and Craft's emphasis on visual aesthetics and flexibility in note management. A Capacities is a note-taking app that prioritizes organization and structure. It allows users to create a hierarchy of notes, making it easy to categorize and retrieve information. With features like tags, folders, and a robust search function, Capacities excels in helping users maintain clarity in their notes. Its intuitive interface is user-friendly, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who values systematic organization. However, it may lack some of the visual customization options that users looking for a more creative approach might desire. Overall, Capacities is perfect for those who thrive on structure and need a reliable way to manage their notes. Craft is a visually appealing note-taking app that emphasizes creativity and flexibility. It allows users to create beautiful interconnected notes that can include images, links, and various formatting options. The app's focus on design makes it ideal for users who want to create visually engaging content, such as writers, designers, and content creators. Craft's collaborative features also enable real-time editing, making it a great choice for team projects. However, its free version has limitations on features which may prompt users to consider a subscription for full access. Overall, Craft is best suited for those who appreciate a visually rich note-taking experience and want to express their ideas creatively. When comparing Capacities and Craft, consider how you plan to use the app. If you prioritize structured organization and need a straightforward way to manage a large volume of notes, Capacities is likely the better choice. Its robust organizational tools will help you maintain clarity and focus. On the other hand, if you value creative expression and enjoy crafting visually appealing notes, Craft will serve you well. Its flexibility and collaborative features make it ideal for projects requiring teamwork and creativity. Both applications have their strengths and limitations, so your choice should reflect your personal note-taking style and needs. For those who need structured organization and clarity in their note-taking, Capacities is the recommended choice. If you prefer a visually engaging and flexible note-taking experience, Craft is the app for you. Choose the one that aligns with your style and elevate your note-taking game today.